Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about mainly Montego Bay. You know, you have the KDF, you have the Badbreed, the Sparta, Broken and Ramos them. Same names, different day. Same people them. You already know Mobay, St. James, lead Ramos, right, when it comes on to murders. You see, enough of the reputation where, you know, Ironman have is centered around Kingston. And then most of the people are doing a kind of, you know, talking about cities and, you know, cities with the highest this, and whenever them talk about Jamaica, them talk about Kingston. Matter of fact, for enough people in the world, it look like Jamaica only have one parish, and that is Kingston. If you go far and ask people where you come from, everybody say Kingston, because Kingston is the famous name. But St. James, right, St. Catherine, the world never really look upon them place. St. James, as you know, murder factory. I talk about it. Before I go into that, let me just say this. I was scrolling upon a platform to try to get some information, right, upon the Haitian situation. Came across a thread, and it was basically people, right, laughing at Jamaica and Jamaicans. You know them a laugher? One of your favorite big YouTuber them, Billy Joe. You know, say Billy Joe love drop a Ironman and do interviews about crime. And nobody in a rush Billy Joe and say stop make Jamaica look bad. Because Jamaicans think it's an honor and a privilege when Billy Joe talk about them, no matter what he must say. All if Billy Joe is defecating on them, as long as he's giving them attention, it's an honor and a privilege. Right, but of course if them say, look at YouTuber say something about Jamaica, say, oh yeah, left when I talk about the good things them. But tell your daddy that. These people are laughing at Jamaica because in this interview, Billy Joe talked to a woman. Right, and it's ironic, somebody actually sent me the clip. Right, and I said the same thing. I mean, I say, I see it's not just people on the forum I see it, but even Jamaicans I see it. Billy Joe asked, right, the woman about Ironman crime, and he mentioned per capita, and her response was just riddled in ignorance. So then people basically laugh, and I said, you know, this woman, and, you know, naturally, they extend it to Jamaicans, right, don't know per capita and don't understand per capita. Billy Joe, when you're not doing an interview them, try to talk to people who know what I'm talking about. When those randomly, at this point, I'm starting to think it's by design. I'm starting to think when I actually go around and I talk to like 50 people, and then when I take out like the 5, right, we say the silliest things and then put them in a video them. And for the Jamaicans, I know say a foreigner with a camera is very enticing. I know so I love video light. I know say Billy Joe with a camera is very enticing. But if you know you're not too sharp, just tell himself to go on, you don't want to talk to him. And even if you don't know the fancy name per capita, you should understand the concept. A small country like Jamaica having 1,000 murders is worse than a big country having 10,000. Not because 10,000 is a larger number than 1,000. You see, the fact that I even have to be explaining this show you the state Jamaica in. But just true, me know, more the next time, because I know say Billy Joe must do a next interview. So, if you buck up on Billy Joe again, and him try to triple up over a simple concept, now you understand how to work out certain things, and now you understand, right, what people are talking about. When people talk about murder rate per capita, or GDP per capita, and them things there, countries don't have equal populations. So if you want to know, right, which country are the better than this or worse than that, you look on the amount of time something happen, and you look on the population of that country. If somebody said Jamaica have the highest murder rate per capita, and that person come from a country, we have 5,000 murders, but 50 million people, you can't respond and say, yeah, but your country have 5,000, so that's worse. 5,000 bigger than 1,000. It's embarrassing. If you have 4 pitney and 3 of them dead, and the next man have 100 pitney and 10 of them dead, the person will lose 3 out of 4 and suffer a greater loss per capita. 3 out of 4 is worse than 10 out of 100. See, Me I break it down to the simplest of form now. So next time Billy Joe put on camera on her face, we won't make a fool on herself and Jamaica on the international stage, because these YouTubers are big YouTubers with millions of subscribers and millions of video gone all over the world. Man, all now Uzbekistan and watch it. So just to avoid the embarrassment, Jamaica leads the world in murder rate per capita. It's usually broken down, right, murder rate per 100k. That's how you can compare a country with 1 million people and 50 million people. Losing 3 out of 4 pitney is a greater loss than 10 out of 100. Because one person lost 75% of them pitney and the next one lost 10%. I'm just trying to ease some of the shame and take some of the little shame out of the eye. And as me say, Ireland, the country where people are the most religified people in the whole world, lead the world in murder rate and jacket rate. It's extraordinary. So Mobay, same names, differently. Recently we have seen some pictures of Flow Throne and the usual page them. This is a blast on them page there. You to them called Serious. Serious was killed when he go up on a murder operation. If he go deliver some gunshot like Amazon, and he may pick up metal like a scrapyard. Operation didn't go as planned. Then go there for kill, then you're not dead. That's him on your screen, right? Remember the 87 only boss gun cause he can't even afford a slice of bread. And if you just have $110,000 and then pocket the crime, that's stop. It's you paying your screen as you can say. Can't afford food. It's funny when them can't afford food, right? Them can't afford them pick the lunch money, but they can afford Hennessy, Moet, Polo from head to toe, iPhone 25. Yo, Jamaica are the richest poor people in the world to the point that Jamaicans are all ahead of the game. Them all have the iPhone 25 ain't no make it. The man will tell us they must suffer like dog and nothing like go on and the sufferation. He have the iPhone 25 in his pocket and not even Apple make it yet. He's ahead of the game. And in case you're wondering, yes, my bad mind serious. Because, I don't know, whatever the latest reason is some bad mind for, I guess. Bad mind in theme polo. Or I'm taking my woman, who knows. Whatever is the most entertaining answer, I could just work with it. I'm sure his funeral will go bossy, probably a $2 million package. But Anto Black say, rich! Real rich! The richest poor people in the world. All that really happened is that the gang them just change the name, you know, the same people them involved. Even time I don't hear them name, they might operate somewhere from behind the scenes. The whole time them unite is for evil. The whole time them unite is when time them want to wipe out a common enemy. That I go and know, people are team up. So that you said the Sparta gang and the KDF man them at it, but none of them alone, because Sparta gang are linked with Badbreed and all kind of things. People are team up, the gang them are link up. The various dance them are work together. Same way you hear about the kid man, oh, you come from KDF and the one they come from the Sparta. Even time I hear certain names, still they are rolling line. For example, long time when I hear about Ramos, right? Ramos from Badbreed gang. I'm gonna put that picture of Ramos on the screen. But be advised, be forewarned. Hide your girl. I warn you before I post the picture of Ramos. Hide your girl. Carlton, hide Kerry. Now make sure you see this. Right. Go in our next room. You know make Kerry so I'll go up on the screen right now. I don't want your girl. Right. Go see Ramos and then go wet up like she just choke off in a Puerto Rico beach. Alright, she gone? Right. You in the bathroom lock up a hide from her? Alright. So this is Ramos. Now you can laugh. I say, oh, that brother you talk about for hide. Can't stay there. You like them, yeah? You like Ramos? Right. Look around you. Them man you make the modern Gen Z Jezebel them. G-string. Lift off of the ground. like a Air Jamaica plane. After Ramos break her heart 15 times and bust up her face 125 times, that's when you start hear about where the good guys at. Ramos not even the area, man. He's abroad, but him still involved in the madness. Any police in St. James, we actually a police. We mean we do real police work. No the man will just join the force for hustle. Right, and pull over a car and name food at the time. We mean people do police work. No, but Ramos. I know Ramos into. Still, he's been untouchable this whole time. Ramos even went as far as to take a pic with fake policeman to try to trick people saying the Iron Man. But Ramos, right, him and Badbreed them, right, team up with the Sparta man. Ramos them still have fun, the madness. And when they must see them escape Mobay now, you know. Because only because them the Mobay why they were involved in the crime and because of the sufferation why they had to know they are foreign of all kind of opportunities. Will them do the opportunity? Help feed the death and destruction in Iron Man. When the money drop a foreign, do they say, oh, now I've escaped Jamaica, so now I can just go on to live my life? And no, them start get the link. Yo, you know, me can get some link with Sandbox and Rifle go, yeah, dog. Because you are what you are in your culture. Follow you everywhere you go. Somebody who is a Muslim in Pakistan doesn't stop being a Muslim when he reaches America. His Muslim culture doesn't suddenly just leave him. So. Sure, he can abandon it. But if it's deeply embedded in him, he carry it everywhere him go. A Rasta don't stop being a Rasta when he left Jamaica. It's not like him drop a Sweden and say, alright, time to go down at the barber shop. If that's the case, then he wasn't really a Rasta. But you are what you inherently are. Broken, I know the tide for you feeding him by now. Broken was a problem with JCF is supposed to fix long time and still not fixed. You see, when the news say people want it and people can't find and all kind of things, sometimes you might think say because them know a hole ahead like Saddam Hussein. But enough time that's not the case. Those Psycho enough for the money we did recently from the Gregory Park side. After them dead, people have said, him? But no regular must see him run at the party. Have a weekly party where keep us on dead every day. Every week him dead. We must see them get help from the community enough time and get help from the terrorist teams. We must say even the police try to drive going to the community. By the time the first police jeep turn the corner, the message get reached back say, yo, police are come and man take on themselves. But to truly stop, the Badbreed, the Sparta, the KDF, whether the 1452, 5150, picking off 87s one by one don't work. You have to dismantle the entire organization and the network to support it. There is no other way. It's like you have mosquito in your yard and you walk around and clap. Plap, 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 plap. You know do nothing. So kill mosquito and you kill one next and you kill one next and you get frustrated, you slam all the TV. Mosquito land on the TV screen and you slam the mosquito so hard that you broke all the TV screen and when you look, two more bite you. You know what you need to do? Find out which part of the body of water there where the mosquito breed. That's how Jamaica fight crime, by going around and clapping individual mosquitoes. Plap, 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 plap. We make one video on this long time. The gang, the organization, the network, that is the body of the water with the mosquito them so come out. Let's replace them. Can't be a bit. Let's replace them. Until that, we don't see much results. We're still like a 10% drop or 12% drop. Has to be as a collective. I'm telling you already, if you really want to stop Liverpool or Man City just injuring one player, right, now go destroy the football club. They will always be a next baller. As long as Liverpool exists, somebody are going to go play ball. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.